Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing fantastic. It is currently Monday the 15th of May and welcome back for yet another interesting video. In case you're new here, my name is Frakeey. I do travel and lifestyle videos. Thank you so much for clicking towards this video. Kindly get to like, share, comment and subscribe if you aren't already, because that supports my channel and it really means a lot to me. To the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back time and again to watch my videos. I really do appreciate and celebrate you guys. Thank you so much. So on this week's video, we're back with another Live Alone Diary episode. I've had at least 3 people asking me why I no longer do some 2 recipes or videos from at home. So today I decided I'm going to have that for this week. So I've just done my lunch, or rather prepared my lunch. Today I'm home. I usually like just resting on Mondays because my week gets hectic. From Wednesday to Sunday, it's usually marathon for me. So nowadays, I've intentionally purposed to have Mondays as my off days. So me being home today, I've had a couple of meetings done with them. Now I was making my lunch. I said I'm going to document it for you guys. So it's a simple minced beef and pasta recipe. I hope you're going to enjoy and you're going to learn a thing or two. It's something that you can actually make for your kids when they come back from school, if you're a parent, or it's a quick fix meal, in other words. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. Let's get into the recipe. To our ingredients, we had some boiled pasta, the pot I was going to use, some tomato paste, a combination of spices of my choice, spring onions and red onions, dania leaves, minced beef, some mozzarella cheese, salted butter, salt, and cooking oil. So I first proceeded to brown my minced beef, then went in with the spring and red onions, added in some cooking oil and butter. I love butter for this recipe, but butter usually stains my pots, or it generally stains pots, so that's why I add in some little cooking oil to help with that. Kept mixing. Then I went in with my tomato paste. And my spices combination here, I had some oregano, onion powder, paprika, danajera, and mixed spices. Stir thoroughly to your satisfaction. At this point, I actually covered my pot for a while. I then proceeded to add in my ready boiled pasta, mixed. Then in with our grated cheese and coriander as we mix. There we go. Our meal was ready in less than 30 minutes. Enjoy.